Good morning, brothers and sisters. It is 1:32 a.m. Central Standard Time on January 28th, 2022, and I am happy to report that not only is iswa back up and running, but we have another eclipse of the sun, something large coming down. But if you remember the other day, it came straight down from the top, or it would come down from a slight angle this way, and then it would rotate out this way. Now look, now it's coming down at an angle from this direction a little bit. Look at that. And we have a beginning at 6:59:45. And then our next time would actually be right here at 7 o'clock and 17 seconds. So this is 6:59:45. And then 7 o'clock a.m. This is UTC time. In 17 seconds. Let's see what time we got on this one. Oh. And then 22 seconds, and then 30 seconds. Notice how the difference, you can just barely notice a tint difference here. Very nice. And then it comes down to here, and then it just kind of, after a few seconds more, eclipses this bad boy. Very nice. You guys see that? Now, of course, I can't tell yet how far out it goes, but and which direction it goes off, because, yeah. It's just barely getting that time. But we have motion again. That is 3 days in a row, brothers and sisters. 3 days. And here we are at stereo ahead chronograph 2, running space weather beacon, the difference rather, and then stereo ahead chronograph 2. Let's go ahead and run this bad boy and see what we've got going on from the 26th up to anything current. Ooh. Nice little pop from the other day, but nothing major. Oh. There was something right here in the shadows. Did you guys see that? But it didn't light up. Very interesting. Let's try and get on to today. Or actually yesterday, should I say. Ooh. It's a nice little pop there, don't you think? Nice coronal mass ejection. Little flare on the back side of the sun. Oh, that's actually pretty nice. Let's take a look here if there's anything else of note. Whoa, whoa. What is that? That 1309? That's interesting. It's either a couple of craft. Yeah, I think it is actually. There's 1, 2, 3. Could be some form of battle formation, or maybe they're going in single file. Who knows? Yeah, there they are again. There's their echo. And it looks like that's about it. Oh. Oh. That's from just a little bit on the back side of the sun. Whoa. Hello, nice big round object there. How's it doing? Yeah. We have to take a peek at that bad boy over here on the other one, huh? Alright, let's see what's going on over here. Oh, got a couple extra friends over here. This one gives a little bit better detail. A little friend here. This is our explosion from the 26th. On the far side of the sun, looks like something tried coming out this way too. Might have been a little pop, that pop art direction I showed. Alright. See here on 1309. Oh, yep, there they are. 1, 2, yeah, there's 3 of them for sure. Confirmed on that. Come on. Ah, here we go. Looks like we're a little bit further away. There's definitely something there, folks. There is something there. It's just hard to say exactly what it is. Definitely looks nice and round to me. And we've got plasma going on each side of it. Very interesting. This one here is stereo ahead with the science data. And this one is always a few days behind. So, and once again, we've got our space station right here. That's locked and loaded, always hanging out there. And looks like we've got some form of a beam of light going right past the satellite right there. Like a warp signature trail, maybe? I don't know. See if we got any other battle formations going on in here. I didn't see anything before that, but I'm pretty sure we got one in here. I just kind of did a previous little sneaky peeky. Did I just say sneaky peeky? That's like 7th grade. Oh, there we go. Whoop, battle formation. Right there, lining up. Yeah, looks like there's something going on. Oh my gosh, this actually kind of looks like a gorilla face, which is kind of funny actually. But it looks like we got a couple more friends here. But look here, I see eyes and nose and like a mouth and like a gorilla head, like Harambe. You guys remember when that was the big fat Harambe? Oh my gosh. Now again, this is a few days behind. And that was it, I believe. Yep, that was it. Now, once again, we are looking at SDO. This is 1600 angstroms, which allows us to see our sunspots. But let me show you folks what's going on here. We're looking all the way back at the 26th. I'm going to show y'all. Go boop. Now you see how it's coming down from the left a little bit here at the angle? Like that, right? And then it went off this way. I've already done showed y'all that. But this one actually gives us a few days. So now we get to the 27th, right around 7 o'clock again. Come on. Oh, what was that down there at the bottom? Now that one did the same thing, and it was there for a good clip. Oh, look it. And then it's coming off this way. Okay. So something done eclipse, but guess what? Hang on. I don't know if this one will do the same. If this one's going to be generous enough, but the one from today actually eclipsed from the right side, not the left. And wouldn't you know about the time? Right around 7 o'clock in the morning. Now why would it? Ooh. Hey now. We got ourselves a little friend right here, don't we, folks? With a little trail of la coming up behind him. Look at that. How you doing, buddy? It's always kind of nice to see that, ain't it? Right about 7. Uh-oh. Now look at the angle. It's coming from the right side. Not from the left, but from the right. This thing is changing the angles on approach and which way it goes out, folks. That's right. And that's as far as it goes. But it looks like it's about to go off to the right. What is that? What in the world is that? Did something actually eclipse our sun? And this is between the sun and this lens? On this? That's crazy. What in the heck is happening here? I don't know, folks. This is oddity right here. Space oddity, that's for sure. Stay safe out there, folks. If there's anything else that pops up, I'll let you know. Remember, love is the only way forward.